Exporting a document in LibreOffice is like performing a save as or save a copy on a document. However, instead of creating an identical copy of the original document, it creates a new document in a format that is not a typical one that an Office application will open. Several of the formats are not editable. One of the ways to export a document is through the export dialog. This video, from OS College, focuses on the export dialog for LibreOffice Writer and Calc, and the formats that their documents can be exported to. Impress and Draw also can export documents. But many of the formats in their export dialog lists are not in the lists for Calc and Writer. There is a second video on exporting that covers these two applications. The formats for Writer and Calc are Xhtml. This is a foundational language for creating web pages. PDF. This is a standard format for documents that are not editable and will look the same regardless of the application used to open them. Epub. This is a standard format used in Kindle and other ebook readers. Jpeg. This is typically a format for pictures, but it can handle Office documents as well. It is a good format for embedding a document in a web page. Writer Layout XML. This creates structured documents that can be used in a variety of applications. If the export dialog is open in Calc, the choice will be Microsoft Excel 2003 XML and PNG. This is like Jpeg. It is typically used for images, but it can handle documents as well. This video will give an overview of each format. Several of these formats launch separate dialogues with various settings for the new document being created. There are videos and information about each format and dialog on the OS College website. There are two ways of launching the export dialog. The export dialog can be launched by clicking the export item that appears when you click the drop-down arrow associated with the save icon in the standard toolbar. The export item is also in the File menu of Writer and Calc. There are other ways to export documents through the File menus and standard toolbars of both applications. There is more information about them on the OS College website. Here is how you export a document in each of the formats in the list. The Xhtml format will create a document that can be uploaded to a server as a web page, or its contents can be copied and pasted into a text editor for a web-based content management system, like WordPress. In the export dialog, choose Xhtml in the File Type drop-down menu. Choose a folder where you want to store the new document. If you want to give it a new name, type a desired name. Click the Save button. The newly created document by default will be opened by a web browser. Simple documents will look close to the original when they are displayed in one. More complex documents may look broken. Results will vary from web browser to web browser. This document can be opened with LibreOffice. Right-click on the document. LibreOffice will most likely be in the Open with submenu. It may be called something else in a different operating system. Click the LibreOffice item. The PDF choice will launch a PDF Options dialog that has 6 tabs for creating a document. They have settings, such as which pages from the original document will be included in the document, and the level of compression used on images in the document. Choose PDF Portable Document Format in the File Type drop-down menu. Choose a folder where you want to store the new document. If you want to give it a new name, type a desired name. Click the Save button. This launches the PDF Options dialog. Videos and more information about the dialog are on the OS College website. Selecting the Epub item and then clicking Save will launch an Epub export dialog that gives you several settings, such as adding various metadata and choosing the method for separating sections and pages. In the Export dialog, choose Epub document in the File Type drop-down menu. Choose a folder where you want to store the new document. If you want to give it a new name, type a desired name. Click the Save button. Selecting JPEG from the list and clicking Save launches a JPEG Options dialog that allows you to set things like width, height, and resolutions. In the Export dialog, choose JPEG Joint Photographic Exports group in the File Type drop-down menu. Choose a folder where you want to store the new document. If you want to give it a new name, type a desired name. Click the Save button. The Writer Layout XML choice will export a document that is data about the original document. In the Calc Export dialog, the choice will be Microsoft Excel 2003 XML. Both types of documents put layout, style, and content information in XML tags. The tags and data can be viewed in a text editor. In the Export dialog, choose Writer Layout XML or Microsoft Excel 2003 XML in the File Type drop-down menu. Choose a folder where you want to store the new document. If you want to give it a new name, type a desired name. Click the Save button. Here's the exported XML document open in a text editor. It has XML tags and data within those tags about the document's layout and content. The last choice is PNG. This will launch the PNG Options dialog that allows you to set things like width, height, and resolutions. In the Export dialog, choose PNG Portable Network Graphics in the File Type drop-down menu. Choose a folder where you want to store the new document. If you want to give it a new name, type a desired name. Click the Save button. Videos and more information about the dialog are on the OS College website. This video has been about exporting documents from LibreOffice Writer and Calc. To learn more about LibreOffice, check out the other videos and pages on the OS College website. Thank you for watching. If you are viewing this on social media, view the other videos and posts about LibreOffice on the OS College page. For those watching on YouTube, check out the other videos on this channel. Click the subscribe button. Then click the bell and choose whether you want all or personalized notifications.